Krita versus GIMP. Which free design software is better? Choosing the right free design software can transform your creative workflow without breaking the bank. Krita and GIMP both offer powerful tools but focus on different artistic needs. Krita and GIMP are two leading free design programs. Krita is tailored for digital painting and illustration, while GIMP offers a versatile image editing platform. The core difference lies in their primary focus: creative brushwork versus photo manipulation and graphic design. Krita is an open-source digital painting software designed specifically for artists and illustrators. It provides a natural brush engine with over 100 customizable brushes, supports layers and masks, and offers advanced tools like stabilizers for smooth strokes and animation features. Krita's interface is optimized for pen tablets, making it ideal for detailed artwork and concept art. It also supports PSD files, allowing some compatibility with Photoshop workflows. Its strengths lie in its intuitive brush controls and dedicated painting features, which make it a favorite among illustrators and comic artists. However, Krita's photo editing capabilities are limited compared to dedicated editors, and it may not be the best choice for heavy image manipulation or graphic design tasks. Ideal users are digital painters, illustrators, and animators who want a powerful free tool focused on creative drawing without distractions. Krita is available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, making it accessible across platforms. GIMP, or GNU Image Manipulation Program, is a free and open-source image editor designed for photo retouching, image composition, and graphic design. It offers a wide range of tools, including advanced selection methods, layer masks, filters, and color correction. GIMP supports multiple file formats and has a flexible plugin system that extends its functionality. Its interface is customizable but can feel complex for beginners. GIMP excels in editing photos, creating web graphics, and performing batch processing. While it includes painting tools, its brush engine and drawing features are less refined than Krita's, making it less suitable for detailed digital painting. Limitations include a steeper learning curve and occasional performance issues with very large files. GIMP is ideal for photographers, graphic designers, and users needing a robust photo editor without cost. It is available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, ensuring broad accessibility. When comparing Krita and GIMP, the choice depends on your creative goals. If you focus on digital painting, illustration, or animation, Krita's brush engine and artist-friendly tools offer a smoother, more natural workflow. It excels at freehand drawing but lacks advanced photo editing features. Conversely, GIMP is a comprehensive photo editor and graphic design tool, ideal for retouching images, compositing, and preparing graphics for web or print. GIMP's plugin ecosystem adds versatility, but it doesn't match Krita's painting experience. For example, a comic artist would prefer Krita for its brush dynamics, while a photographer would benefit more from GIMP's editing capabilities. Both are free and cross-platform, but their strengths cater to different creative disciplines, making the trade-off between painting focus and image editing depth the key factor in choosing. Choose Krita if you prioritize digital painting, illustration, or animation with natural brush tools and an artist-focused interface that enhances creativity. Opt for GIMP if you need a powerful free photo editor or graphic design tool with extensive features and plugin support. Both Krita and GIMP are excellent, but your specific creative needs will guide the best choice for your projects.